Welcome back to Diet Guru, where we're dedicated to helping you live your best, healthiest life. Today, we have something special in store for you. We're diving into the ultimate guide to healthy food. A comprehensive roadmap to nourishing your body and fueling your well-being. So get ready to unlock the secrets to a healthier you. Montage of colorful fruits and vegetables. Tip number 1. The power of nature's goodness. We'll take you on a journey through the world of fruits and vegetables, showcasing their incredible health benefits and delicious ways to incorporate them into your daily diet. Tip number 2. Building balanced meals. Discover the key components of a well-rounded plate. From lean proteins and whole grains to healthy fats and vibrant vegetables. We'll show you how to create satisfying and nutritious meals that will leave you feeling energized. Tip number 3. Mastering meal prep. We'll share our top strategies for efficient and effective meal planning, saving you time and ensuring you always have wholesome options at your fingertips. Say goodbye to last-minute unhealthy takeout and hello to homemade goodness. Tip number 4. The importance of hydration. We'll dive into the benefits of staying properly hydrated and share practical tips to help you drink more water throughout the day. Remember, hydration is the foundation of good health. Tip number 5. Decoding food labels. We'll demystify the confusing world of nutrition labels, empowering you to make informed choices at the grocery store. You'll learn how to spot hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and other additives that may sabotage your health goals. Tip number 6. Smart snacking. Discover a variety of delicious and nutritious snack options that will keep you satisfied between meals without derailing your progress. We'll help you navigate the snack aisle with confidence. Tip number 7. The importance of exercise. We'll explore how physical activity supports your overall health and well-being, providing practical tips to incorporate movement into your daily routine. It's time to get up, get moving, and enjoy the benefits of an active lifestyle. Tip number 8. Supercharging your salads. We'll show you how to transform a simple bowl of greens into a nutrient-packed powerhouse. Discover exciting toppings, homemade dressings, and creative combinations that will make your salads anything but boring. Tip number 9. Healthy cooking made easy. We'll share time-saving kitchen hacks, cooking techniques, and delicious recipes that make preparing nutritious meals a breeze. Get ready to unleash your inner chef and nourish your body with flavorsome goodness. Tip number 10. The power of mindfulness. Learn how to cultivate a mindful eating practice, savoring each bite and truly connecting with your food. We'll guide you through exercises and strategies that foster a positive relationship with what you eat. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to healthy food. By incorporating these tips into your daily life, you'll be well on your way to transforming your health and embracing a vibrant lifestyle. Remember, nourishing your body is a journey, so be kind to yourself and enjoy the process. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Share your own favorite healthy food tips in the comments below. Until next time, stay inspired, stay healthy, and keep thriving.